This e-seminar will present how different simulation methods are used throughout the aircraft development process, supporting a continuous and unified digital thread from conceptual design all the way to flight tests. SIMULIA's advanced simulation tools for structural, fluids, electromagnetic and multi-body simulations will be introduced with industrial validation examples for appropriate fidelity for each development phase. Integration of these tools into the 3D Experience platform will be shown. Several case studies will be presented to demonstrate multidisciplinary design and optimization workflows to execute trade-off studies in an integrated environment. September 19, 2019 at 11 AM Eastern and 5 PM Central European Time.